Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to solve a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Working Together. So let's solve activity book page number 4. Look and read, right? Yes or no. The children are preparing some food. So if it is yes, look at the picture. Yes, of course they are preparing food. Okay. So we have to write yes. The children aren't eating the food. They are eating the food. No. So it is also yes here. The girl's hands have got paint on them. So look at the girl's hand. There's no paint. Okay. A girl is painting her hands with henna. So there is henna. So we have to write yes. There are many people there are many people outside the mosque. So it is true. So we have to write yes here. The people are celebrating with dances and songs. No, they are praying. So we will write no here. So बिफोर गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज मुझे आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है। क्या आप सबको ऐसी वीडियोस चाहिए? आप लोगों को ये वाला पेज सॉल्व करने में मेरी हेल्प की अगर ज़रूरत थी तो सब बच्चों ने लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना है। और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक्स चाहिए और बहुत ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइबर्स चाहिए ताकि आपको ऐसी वीडियोस मिलती रहें। ठीक है, थैंक यू। अभी हम लोग चलते हैं नेक्स्ट पेज पे। आपका नेक्स्ट पेज है प्रिटेंड दैट यू आर अ डांसर एंड यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग योर फेवरेट एनिमल। राइट अ पोम अबाउट द एनिमल। आंसर द क्वेश्चंस। हु आर यू? हाउ आर you moving? Why are you dancing? So, first is pretend you are a dancer and you are pretending your favorite animal. Now you have to think about your favorite animal and you have to think that you are a dancer. Okay? And you have to suppose that you are the animal and you are a dancer. Okay? And then you are going to write a poem, and in that poem you are going to write answers. और इसी जो पोएम है इसमें आपने इन्हीं क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स लिखने हैं। हु आर यू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेंशन द टाइटल हेयर, द डांसिंग पीकॉक। ओके, हु आर यू? आई एम अ पीकॉक। How are you moving? So here is the vocabulary words, vocabulary box. So you can take help from there. How are you moving? I am moving up and down. How I am turning left and right. Left and right is also here. Okay. Why are you dancing? So you have to mention the reason. I am dancing because I am happy. So you can write I am dancing because today is my birthday. Okay, so it's up to you how you are going to create your own poem, but to keep in your mind you have to answer all these questions. Your poem should be related to these questions. Okay, so next is, if you want to do something really well you need to practice it. So practice make the man perfect. So अगर आपने कुछ भी काम परफेक्टली करना है तो आपको उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. You do it many times so that you do it better and better. What do you practice? So here is one sentence. Draw a picture. Write a sentence and draw a picture. Look at this. Like this. I practice dancing with my friend. So you can write about anything, like I practice reading, I practice writing, and then you have to draw a picture. Okay, I hope you like the video. For more videos please like and subscribe. Thank you.